Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can share your Facebook dating. Maybe you want to share your Facebook dating to your friends on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can share Facebook dating on your friends. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And once you are in here, simply tap on this heart button icon for you to be directed on the Facebook dating. From here, tap on the settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, simply tap on this general. Here you will see share the love. Let friends know about Facebook dating. Simply tap on it. And here we have send and messenger or more option. For example, let's choose more options. And here you can share via message, email, notes, chats, and many more. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can share the Facebook dating to your friends, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can share Facebook dating to your friends, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.